Got a paper jam stuck in your Canon printer? Don't panic. This happens to everyone, and it's easier to fix than you might think. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to safely remove that jammed paper without damaging your printer. The key is to be patient and gentle. So follow along and you'll have your Canon printer running smoothly again in just a few minutes. If you need extra help, call the numbers on your screen. Let's get that paper out. Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date. Start by lifting open the scanner unit or cover on the top of your Canon printer. Just raise it slowly and carefully to get your access to the interior. Now, take a peek inside and scan the area around the printhead holder. This is where paper usually gets stuck, so look carefully to spot any crumpled or rolled up sheets. When you find the stuck paper, grab it firmly but gently with your hand, and if it's crumpled or folded, pull it out slowly and steadily. After you've pulled out the main piece, do a thorough inspection of your entire paper path. Feel around and look carefully to make sure there aren't any tiny scraps or torn pieces hiding inside. Once you're satisfied that the paper path is clear, carefully lower the scanner unit or cover back into place. Don't slam it, just let it settle gently. Head over to your printer's display screen. You'll probably still see an error message displayed. Go ahead and tap OK to dismiss it and return to your normal home screen. If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.